What's up guys, Seth from Dark Waters Fly Shop hanging out with you here this morning. Gonna do a video possibly today, and we got a guided trip that we're doing with some dudes, and here I'm getting all the bugs off my windshield, and these guys are super cool. I can tell already. We're getting ready to go, and they're like, dude, we watch your videos, it's awesome, and these guys are super cool. So we're gonna take them on an adventure. We're gonna go get them lost in the woods and see if we can get them some fish, so stick around.
Out here now, this run, there's fish all over out here. This right here is all flat, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and I'm going to cast this line up like this. I'm going to let it sink. You see that colored line? See how it's running like that? Now I'm touching bottom. You can see how not quite there. I'm touching bottom. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to run that where those fish are in that strip right there. And I'm just demonstrate this real quick, because then you guys are gonna do this after me. And we're gonna spread you guys out a little bit and stuff too. So like if I take this rod and I drop this in right up there, and I hold this up and I start drifting it like that, you're gonna, when it stops, you're gonna feel that fish hit, and that's it.
Good job, man. Yeah. Oh, watch a tree. Yeah, dude, you're dancing around now. Now you're fishing. Now you're fishing. Here, I'll take the rod for you. I got you. Dude, that is a gorgeous fish. Check this out, buddy. Let me get a good picture of that one. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful fish. That's pretty sweet,
Can I get a picture with it, man?
Yeah, absolutely. Hold them out toward me a little bit. That's all right. That's good. I got one of you in there. So sweet, dude.
I gotta go.
All right, guys, so we're probably only an hour into our trip. This is super cool, and these guys are having an absolute blast. They've all caught fish so far, 5, 6 a piece maybe. And we're barely started, so he's shouting to me from down the river, "This is awesome, I can't believe this." And we're just kind of hole hopping. So we got one set up right here. We got Drew set up over on that bank right there. He's learning. He's never fly fished before. He's got like 3 or 4 fish already. Aiden's over here. This guy's a veteran. He knows what he's doing. He's put a lot of fish on the board already. Sorry guys, it's really bad lighting today, so I'm trying to manage all of this stuff. This run right here, Aiden, this is going to be an indicator run right here. This is going to be a nymphing run. So you want to use the nymphing rod for this. You're tight lining it, huh? You're on infinite. You got thinking, forget that indicator, huh?
Yeah, I set the hook and it just went straight up into the trees.
Oh, so we just said forget the indicators altogether.
Yeah.
So check this out. I'll show you something cool about this run. This run right here, you can see how shallow it is up in this, right? You see how shallow it is, but look at that right there. You see how deep that run is right there? So what you're gonna do is, what I would suggest, see how it's deep right there? It's shallow up here. We'll give him the rest of that pool. What I want you to do, walk in toward the grass. I'll have you walk right along that grass there. Walk to that grassy point. Yep. And the reason why that is you don't want to spook those fish that are in there, okay? They're brook trout, so they're not real spooky. But there you go. Now pick that up so that that indicator line's out of the water, and you should have a fish right there. Ooh, it's all right. Now if you have to get in there deeper, that's fine, man. Just take 1 or 2 steps in the water. You just don't want to walk through that deep hole. There you go, good job. Now lift it up right away because that's shallow. Yep, right there. Let that run. Up a little bit. Yeah! That's it. That's it, man. That's a wily brook trout right there. Branches in the water there. Those fish will hide us down in that stuff. Just keep to it. Yep, there was one. Just keep.
They came twice at it.
Did it? Ah, you got it. Oh, there he went. That's 3 fish so far in that hole. Yeah, twitch at, twitch at, twitch at. He'll be right there. Come on, fish. Eat that fly. There he is. Yeah, I did.
That's so cool.
Was it in the bubble? Man, we've missed 3 really big fish right here, and I didn't have my GoPro. There it is, sit! Ah, it's not a bigger one, but smaller fish, but it's a pretty fish. Yeah. Oh, those spots are awesome. There's a lot more in there. You know, you can just rip, these muddler minnows are awesome because you can just rip these around in the surface like that. Yeah. Back and forth. Oh. That thing literally launched a foot out of the water. We were just dancing it around like this. We were just, sorry. Oh no, you're good. We were literally just, he's not even, he's not committing. Okay, so when you take this, and you put it in there, I'll do it back there because there's more big fish up here. But what I'm doing is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in that slack water and see how I'm holding that rod tip up? See how I'm holding it with my hand like this? Yep. Now I can keep that fly in that slack water for minutes. I can keep that in that slack water all day if I want, you know? The other thing that you can do, it's a little bit of a gambling, but I'll take that fly sometimes, I'll put it down there, I'll take my slack and I would throw it right up on top of that rock like that, and you're bringing it over there that whole time. Oh, look at this, they got some teamwork going on. This is great. This video is going viral.
I can't fall in then, right?
Oh no, you have to fall in. That's what's gonna help it go viral. You know that you would share this video way more if you got a shot of you falling in.
I ain't taking one for the team today, man.
Oh, that's hilarious, man.
I love you guys all, man, but...
Drew, you're in a bad position because if either of those 2 guys goes down, you know what they're doing is they're just grabbing you, man. Yeah, dude.
I mean, I know, it's like, what, 40 fish only today for me.
Actually, you know what? I was talking about how many fish we got earlier, and I said we were probably in the 30s altogether, but I forgot you got like a dozen fish out of that one hole.
That one hole, yeah, on that dry fly. Just
Dude,
kept
me and you at least got like 20.
So,
I'm
yeah.
up to 12.
12.
Oh, so you're almost hitting 50.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're close to 50 fish.
I'm around.
Oh, let's
15.
go.
I'm around 15 right now.
Oh, is this not good?
See that 7-footer I had back there? Snap my line.
Hey, Drew, how many times you been fly fishing?
Once.
Yeah?
Today.
Today's the first time.
You gonna quit while you're ahead?
No.
No. Good answer, man.
No, so much fun.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So great. You guys are the best.
This is fun, man. Look at that run down there. There's still a lot of fish down in there, too.
I know, I'm about this.
All right, guys, there we go. Sorry, I was having trouble with my camera there for a second. So we're getting close to the end of the trip today, and I just wanted to say, when we do these trips, I love all of them. I love all the trips that we do with Dark Waters Fly Shop, all the people you meet, all the different things, but there's some trips where you just get a really special connection with people, and this is one of them. This has been a really, really cool trip. Goofing around with these guys, just having a ball. They all got really good senses of humor. They've all caught tons of fish. They've been willing to try their own techniques. They've been willing to listen to our instruction. And you know, the woods, the forest in the UP today has been filled with yelling and laughter. And they're yelling again down there right now, in a way that probably doesn't happen every day. So I really appreciate you guys watching this. And this will be a really cool video that I upload. So again, subscribe to the channel. That'd be something cool to do. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of these kinds of videos. This is kind of new for me. So let's see what these guys are up to. See if they can catch a couple more fish, and then maybe we'll do an official outro here in another couple scenes.
Have been snags. Oh my goodness.
This is gonna turn into a reality fish. Oh, you had a fish the whole time.
No, I did not.
You thought you were snagged.
A little bit.
You thought you were snagged. That was a fish. That's a fish, man. Good job. Look at how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
No, before you came into the frame. That's fine. So that's an indication of how awesome this day went when you can joke around with people like that, huh?
It really was.
Yeah, it was an awesome, awesome trip. We came out of this road back here, out into this opening where we parked to come in,
and my mind is blown every time I see that view.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's crazy. So, how many fish hit the board today?
I lost count, but I'm saying 50 at least, maybe 60.
50 or 60?
Easily.
Easily.
Yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
I was around 19. He caught insane. He was around 20 also. So
And that was your first time fly fishing?
first time.
Very cool. Dylan's over here taking pictures. I told you guys, it's just gorgeous back there.
It's so gorgeous.
Yeah, so,
Great leadership in our guides. Thank you.
yeah, no problem. Thank you guys for watching this.
Thank you.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Congratulate these guys. They did an awesome job, and I guess I'll catch you in another video.
Woo!